Hey team, and welcome back to Trade the Fear, where we turn uncertainty into opportunity together. Today, we're diving deep into Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, because something major just happened. After months of sliding lower, Tesla stock just surged nearly 12% in a single day, closing at $278.39 on March 24th in 2025. That's a significant move. But here's the question, is this a real reversal or just another hype bounce? We're going to break it down step by step using the full Trade the Fear system. We'll walk through the emotional catalyst, the technical indicators, the market psychology, and the exact trade setups you need to know. Whether you're brand new or have been trading for years, you'll leave this video with clarity and confidence. Let's start with what just happened. There were three major catalysts that pushed Tesla higher. First, Tesla announced it's preparing to launch its full self-driving software in China. The plan is still pending regulatory approval, but this is a major move. China is one of Tesla's largest markets, and expanding software services there opens a powerful new revenue stream. Second, news broke that the Trump administration may scale back its upcoming tariff plans. If automobiles and semiconductors are excluded, companies like Tesla could avoid major cost pressures. That's bullish for margins and sentiment. Third, retail investors are piling in. Over $7.3 billion of retail money flowed into Tesla in the last 2 weeks alone. That's not just a trend, that's an emotional shift. Fear is starting to fade. Optimism is building. And when retail jumps in early, it often sets the stage for bigger institutional moves. Now let's move from the why to the what's next. So what's happening now? Let's take a look at the technical charts. Let's zoom into the chart using our Trade the Fear system strategy. First, we have the MA Shift Histogram on the 4-hour chart. We just saw a clean flip from red to teal. This is one of our top confidence reversal signals with roughly 80% historical accuracy. It tells us momentum is shifting. Sellers are backing off. Buyers are stepping in. And smart money may be positioning early. Next, we have the LOWESS Channel on the 4-hour and daily chart. Tesla recently wicked below the lower band, then surged back up through the midline. This is a textbook spring reversal, a shakeout followed by a power move. Now we're holding just above the lowest midline. That's critical. If we stay above it, the odds of continuation go up dramatically. And finally, we look at the Multi-Timeframe RSI indicator. On the 4-hour chart, RSI is climbing above 55 with a strong upward slope. That's early confirmation of bullish momentum. On the daily chart, RSI has recovered from below 30, which is the oversold zone, and is now sitting around 45. This is the bullish recovery zone we love to see. And on the 1-hour chart, RSI is holding steady between 55 and 65. That's the sweet spot for continuation trades, when trends grind upward without overheating. Now let's confirm what we're seeing with volume analysis. Tesla traded over 164 million shares, nearly double the 50-day average of 91 million. That kind of volume doesn't lie. It's not just retail FOMO, it's institutional presence. The big hands are showing up, and they tend to show up before the breakout and not after. So where are we in the Wyckoff cycle? Based on the price action and volume pattern, it looks like we've just completed the spring phase of the accumulation process. We've got a shakeout wick, a strong volume spike, a quick recovery back above support. If price holds, this could be the start of a new markup phase, the beginning of a sustained uptrend. So what should we be watching next? If Tesla holds above 270 and RSI continues to rise across timeframes, we could be looking at a move toward 295, even 310 in the short to medium term. If price dips but holds support at the lowest midline, then that's around 270. That's where we look for continuation entries. But if price breaks back below 260 with weakening RSI and volume fading, that's a warning sign. In that case, the move could fail, and Tesla might retest the 230 to 240 support range. Now let's talk strategy. If you're a beginner, don't overthink it. If price is above 270 with bullish RSI and volume support, that's your high-level signal for strength. For swing traders, your entry zone is near the lowest midline, with confirmation from RSI above 50 and a teal histogram. Set your stop below the recent low and trail your profits as it climbs. For long-term investors, this might be the start of a recovery cycle. If you believe in Tesla's long-term vision in AI, energy, and robotics, this is when dollar cost averaging can lower your cost basis and build your position gradually. So, what's the takeaway? We're seeing a clean flip on momentum, a volume-backed reversal from oversold territory, and early signs of a Wyckoff spring turning into a markup. This isn't about guessing. It's about reading the emotional language of the market and following the signals. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think this is the beginning of a new bull run for Tesla? Or just another fake out before more downside? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know what stock or crypto you want us to break down next. We'll use the full Trade the Fear system to give you clarity, so we can trade smarter and profit together as a community. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's watching Tesla right now. And always remember, fear is not a stop sign, it's a signal. Use it wisely, and I'll see you in the next one.